Good morning, dear students. Let's start our class. Our geography 5th chapter, major domains of the earth. Previous class we are discussed with the major domains like which are they? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Right. So these are the major domains of the earth. Then we are discussed with what is lithosphere and the division, that the 7 continents. Which are the 7 continents? Do you remember? Yes. Which are they? Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Right. Then today we are going with the next domains, that is hydrosphere. That is hydrosphere. Okay. So the second domains. First domain was lithosphere. Previous class we have discussed about what is lithosphere and 7 continents. Okay. Now we are going with the second domains of the earth, that is hydrosphere. That is hydrosphere. So what do you mean by hydrosphere? We know that our earth is called a blue planet, right? Blue planet. Why we are calling our earth as blue planet? Did you know that? Yes, because of what? We know that our earth is covered with water bodies, right? Water bodies. So earth is called the blue planet. Hydrosphere. What do you mean by hydro? Hydrogen is what? Hydrogen and oxygen. In chemistry we are seeing that is water, right? So hydrosphere means the surrounded or the water area of our earth. So the earth is called blue planet, right? Earth is called blue planet. Why our earth is called blue planet? Because of more than 71% of the earth surrounded with or covered with water bodies. More than 71%. 71% of earth. 71% of the earth is covered with water. So we call earth is blue planet. Earth is blue planet covered with water. So we call earth is blue planet. So in this we are not familiar with that the water bodies. Previous class we already discussed about the oceans and we see the continents and of course we see the map. Look at this map. You can see that the blue color means the water bodies, right? The blue color means the water bodies. Look at this. This is the world map. This is our earth. And these are the 7 continents. Previous class we already discussed what you mean by continent and which are the 7 continents, right? So today we are going with the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere may be considered the water bodies or water areas. That is because earth is called blue planet because of what? 71%. More than 71% of the earth is covered with water. Look at this. These colors of blue. Full. This is meant by the water bodies. And this hydrosphere consists of water. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms. It includes rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, etc. The hydrosphere considers all forms of water like river, pond, sea and oceans. The hydrosphere considers all forms of water like river, pond, lake, sea, oceans and glaciers, of course the glaciers. Okay, so the hydrosphere consists all forms of water, right? All forms of water. Which are the forms of water? River, water. Look at this, more than 97% of Earth's surface water is found where? Where? Oceans. Right, oceans and two other water bodies as oceans are too. This is because of these ocean water. What is the speciality of ocean water? It is full of salt, right? So it is not used for drinking or other activities. Because of that, we can say that the more than 97% of water in our Earth's surface is found in the ocean. This is a salt water, a salty water, right? The ocean water is very salty. This is not useful for human, right? How we are use this types of ocean water for cooking purpose? No, we do not use the ocean water for cooking. Because of what? Because of the salty. It is very salty. You know that we are going to beach and the sea water. That is for the ocean. Sea water is also salty waters, right? So because of the salty taste or salty water, do not useful for human beings. We are not use these types of salt water. Look at your text. We can see that. Look at this. This is the map or this is the figure of water in our Earth's surface. That look at this. 97.2% of water is found in oceans and 0.03%, only 0.03% of water was fresh water. That's water we are using, the fresh water. So the amount or percentage of fresh water is very, very less, right? So we want to protect our fresh water. We do not waste our fresh waters, right? So look at this picture. We can see that 97.2% of water we are found in the oceans. Only 0.03% of fresh water we have. And look at this, 2.8% stored in ice sheets and groundwater. Look at this picture. You can see a piece of that pie chart, that is 2.8% of water stored in the sheets, that is the ice sheets. We can see the Antarctica and Arctic sections. We can see these ice sheets that are known as the glaciers. And look at this, and the other part, that is groundwater. 2.8% of water we have found in the shells stored in the ice sheets and groundwater. So we have only 0.03% of fresh water. So only we have 0.03% of fresh water. Look at this. So we have some responsibilities for saving water. We do not waste our water, or we have to protect our water resources. Okay, so look at this. What do you mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is the second domains of the Earth. Because our planet called blue planet. Why? Because the more than 71% of the Earth is covered with water or water bodies. You can say in your text that's world map. And the hydrosphere consists all forms of water bodies or all forms of water like rivers, sea, ocean, lakes, glaciers, example, etc. And more than 97% of Earth's surface water is found in oceans. Look at this, 97% is a huge amount, right? It's a huge amount, and we have 100% and that is. And out of 100 we have 97% of Earth's surface water we found in oceans. This is very salty. This is salty water. This is not useful for humans. So we have only 0.03% of fresh water and 2.87% of ice sheets ocean. Let's check. Okay. So what do you mean by ocean? The huge water bodies are called oceans. The huge water bodies are called oceans. Okay. Huge water bodies. Huge water bodies are called oceans. We can see in page number 31 our world map. One more. Look at this picture. These blue colors are water bodies, that is oceans. And we consider this is the oceans. Look at this. It's a huge water bodies, right? The full of huge water bodies are called oceans. The huge water bodies are called oceans. And oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. What do you mean by ocean? Ocean means the huge water bodies are called ocean. The huge water bodies are called oceans. Clear? The huge water bodies are called ocean. So we have the three types of movement in ocean. We know that our ocean is continuously moving, right? So oceans waters are always moved. Always moved. We can say in seas there we have the we can see the waves. We always these oceans and seas are moved. Always the oceans water are always moving. We have three types of movement of oceans. We have three types of movement in ocean. Which are they? Three types of movement of ocean. First one is of course waves. What do you mean by waves? We can see and we can going with ocean sea. We can also see that these types of movements are called waves. Okay, the second one is tides, and the third one is ocean current. Ocean current. So these are the three types of movement of ocean. The ocean water always moves. The ocean water is always moves. These are the three types of movement of ocean water. So what do you mean by ocean? Major part of the hydrosphere is consists oceans, or oceans are the major part of the hydrosphere. And huge water bodies are called oceans. What do you mean by ocean? The huge water bodies are called ocean. Ocean water is always moving. We have three types of movement of ocean water. Ocean water, which are they? First one is wave, and second one is tides, and third one is ocean current. Okay, so we have five major oceans. We have five major oceans. Which are the five major oceans? We have the five major oceans. Which are the five major oceans? We can check. Look at this map. We can easily identify these oceans, the five oceans. Which are they? First one, we have to move on this Pacific Ocean. Where is the Pacific Ocean? Yes, this is the Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean, and of course Arctic Ocean, and the last one is Southern Ocean. One more time. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Okay, so the first ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. What are the features of Pacific Ocean? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The largest ocean in the world. The largest ocean in the world is known as Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The next one is, it is covered 1/3 of the earth. It is covered the area of 1/3 of the earth. Because of that, we call the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Look at this map. We can see that the Pacific Ocean is in west side. This is the Pacific Ocean, and also in the east side we have the Pacific Ocean. Look at this. We have the east and west areas. We have the Pacific Ocean. Look at this big map. We can see this is the Pacific Ocean, and also this is the Pacific Ocean. So because of that, the largest ocean is known as Pacific Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean covered with 1/3 of the earth. Pacific Ocean covered with the 1/3 of the earth ocean. And previous class we already discussed that the deepest part of the earth, which is the deepest part of the earth, that is marine trench in Pacific Ocean. We already discussed in our previous class. So that is the marine trench, right? Marine trench. So that is located in the Pacific Ocean. That does have more than 11,000 meter depth, right? More than 11,000 meter depth. So that the depth is very large. So the world largest depth, that is Marina Trench, is located in Pacific Ocean. The world largest depth. Or the deepest depth. Which is the Marina Trench. Marina Trench found, we can see the Marina Trench, the world largest depth of deep area, it found in Pacific Ocean. So what are the features of Pacific Ocean? The largest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean covered with 1/3 of the earth part. Because of that, we call it the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And the world longest or largest depth is, that is Marina Trench, is found in Pacific Ocean. And also, which are the areas that found at the Pacific Ocean? Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. North America, South America, surrounded with Pacific Ocean. These are the continents, right? These are the continents. What are the features of Asia? Asia is the largest continent, right? Asia is the largest continent. Look at this. Pacific Ocean is bounded by Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. We have 7 continents, and almost 4 continents covered with or surrounded by Pacific Ocean. Look at this picture. We can see that in the west side, the Pacific Ocean covered with surrounded with South America and North America. And in the east side, we also can found that the Asia and Australia are surrounded or bounded with Pacific Ocean. So which are the continents are bounded with Pacific Ocean? Which are the Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. Which are the continents are surrounded with Pacific Ocean? That is Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. We have 5 major oceans. First one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It's covered 1/3 of the Earth's part, and the world's largest depth, that is the marine chains found in Pacific Ocean. It has more than 11,000 meters. And the Asia, Australia, North America, South America, these continents are surrounded by Pacific Ocean. Clear? These continents are surrounded by Pacific Ocean. So what is the next ocean? That is, the next ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, the second ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean. Okay, second largest ocean in the world, that is Atlantic Ocean. And it is shaped with S. It is shaped with S. We can see in Atlantic Ocean in the shape of S. It is S-shaped ocean. It is S-shaped ocean. Look at this map. Where is Atlantic Ocean? This is Atlantic Ocean. Right, we can see that this is the S-shaped ocean. That is called Atlantic Ocean. The S-shaped ocean, that is called Atlantic Ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean. Where is that Atlantic Ocean? We can see this. This is the Atlantic Ocean. Look at this picture. This is Atlantic Ocean, and this is the S-shaped ocean. Clear? This is the S-shaped ocean, and this is the Atlantic Ocean. Look at this picture. This is Atlantic Ocean. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. We can find in the Atlantic Ocean in the shape of S. It is found in the S shape, so it is called S-shaped ocean. And also, which are the continents are surrounded by Atlantic Ocean? Which are the continents? Look at this map. Which are the continents? We can say that the Africa and the eastern part of South America and southern part of Europe. We can say these are the continents are surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. Which are the continents are surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean? The North and South America. North and South America on the western side, on the west. Okay, you got this map. The west side of Atlantic Ocean. Where is the west side? This is the west side. So west side of Atlantic, we can say the North America and the South America. So we can say that the North America and South America surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in the west. And Europe and Africa is surrounded in the east. Look at this map. Where is the Europe? This is the Europe, the east side of Atlantic Ocean. The east, we can found the Europe continent and the Africa. The east side of Atlantic Ocean covered with or surrounded with Europe and Africa. The Europe and Africa surrounded with in the east side with Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. Clear? So what are the features of Atlantic Ocean? The second largest ocean in the world, that is Atlantic Ocean. Ocean, and it is sea, or it is found in the S shape. So this is the S-shaped ocean, and the North and South Americas surrounded with in the west with the Atlantic Ocean, and the Europe and Africa also surrounded with Atlantic Ocean in the east. So these are the main features of Atlantic Ocean. The next ocean is of course Indian Ocean. The third ocean, that is Indian Ocean. That is the Indian Ocean. This ocean, or it is the only ocean named after a country. Which country? That is India, right? India. This is the only ocean named after a country. That is Indian Ocean. That is Indian Ocean. That was the first feature of this ocean. The only ocean named after a country. Which ocean? That is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. This is the only ocean. This is the only ocean named after a country. That is Indian Ocean. And it is almost a triangular shape. It is almost a triangular shape. Look at this picture. Where is the Indian Ocean? This is Indian Ocean. And this is almost, we can see that this is the area. That is the, almost we can see the triangular shape. Right. Almost it is a triangular shape. So, the shape of Indian Ocean, it is almost a triangular shape. And which are the continents are surrounded by the Indian Ocean? Of course, the Asia. This is the Asia is not bounded by Asia. So in the north side of Indian Ocean, we can see the continent Asia. Okay, the north side of Indian Ocean, we can see the continent Asia. And the west side, we can see the continent Africa. We can see the continent Africa. Okay. And the east side, we can also see the continent Australia. Look at this map. This is Indian Ocean. Clear? This is Indian Ocean. The north part of the Indian Ocean, that is there. This is the north part of Indian Ocean. We can find the Asian continent, that is the Asia continent. And the west part of Indian Ocean, we can see the African continent. And the east side, we can see the Australian continent, the continent of Australia. Okay, so Asia, north part of Indian Ocean bounded with Asia, and the west part of Indian Ocean bounded with Africa, and the east part of Indian Ocean bounded with Australia. Clear? So these are the features of Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the ocean only named after a country. This is the ocean named after a country. This is the only ocean named after a country, that is Indian Ocean. And it was almost a triangular shape. In the north, it is bounded with Asia. In the west, it is bounded with Africa, and the east bounded with Australia. So these are the special features of Indian Ocean. The next one, the next ocean, that is Southern Ocean. Page number 31. This is the Southern Ocean. This is the Southern Ocean near the continent of Antarctica. Near the continent of Antarctica. This is the continent Antarctica, and this is covered with Antarctica continent covered, surrounded by the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean. So it is covered with Antarctica continent, and this consists Antarctica. This is covered with the Antarctica continent. That is Southern Ocean. That is the Southern Ocean. The fifth ocean, that is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Look at this map. Where is the Arctic Ocean? There. This is the Arctic Ocean. Look at this. This is the Arctic Ocean. The continents are Europe and Asia. Also, the southern part of Arctic Ocean. These continents are Europe and Asia are covered with the southern part of Arctic Ocean. And the Arctic Oceans within the Arctic Circle. It is mainly in the Arctic Circle, and it is surrounded the North Pole. It is surrounded the North Pole of the Earth. That is the Arctic Ocean, which are the continents, that is the Europe and Asia, is covered in the south part of Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. And these are the major 5 oceans. These are the major 5 oceans. Oceans, what do you mean by ocean? Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. What do you mean by ocean? The huge water bodies are called oceans, which are the 5 major oceans. That is Pacific Ocean. The first ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, and second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, and the third one is Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Southern Ocean, and the fifth one is Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 major oceans. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. The huge water bodies are called oceans, which are the 5 major oceans. As first one is Pacific Ocean, second one is Atlantic Ocean, third one is Indian Ocean, and fourth Southern Ocean. Last one is Arctic Ocean. These are the 5 major oceans. These are the 5 major oceans. Clear? So today we are studied about the second domain of the Earth, that is hydrosphere. That is hydrosphere. The water bodies, the huge water bodies are called oceans. Oceans are consist in the hydrosphere, right? It's included in the hydrosphere. Our Earth is called blue planet because of what? Because of the more than 71% of water bodies. Earth is covered, the land is covered by water bodies. Because of that, we call our Earth is blue planet. Okay. So look at this map and identify the 5 major oceans and continents, and read your text carefully. Stay safe.